FDNY Smart video is brought to you by the FDNY Foundation and its partners. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
FDNY Smart!
Hello everyone. Hi kids. I'm Firefighter Danny Glover.
And I'm FDNY student host Chloe. And these two are the FDNY's Fire and Life Safety mascots, Hot Dog and Siren.
We're here at the FDNY Fire Zone, New York City's interactive learning center located in Midtown Manhattan.
Where kids of all ages come to learn about fire and life safety. We were just in the Fire Zone Theater,
Our voices are recorded.
where real-life scenarios teach us how important it is to be fire safe in our homes.
And they caught fire.
That's right, Chloe. But today, we're taking a journey and bringing our lessons to you so you can be FDNY Smart. However, we're gonna need a little help, isn't that right, Chloe?
Sure is, Danny. I'm so excited. Should we tell them our secret?
Well, kids, you see this fire truck right here? This rig is special. When you hit the right buttons, you can travel to anywhere in the city in a flash. Pretty cool, huh?
So cool. I love this. Come on, everyone. Hot Dog, Siren. Where should we go first, Danny?
Whoa, are you seeing this? This is amazing.
Hey, I can talk.
Me too.
In Brooklyn, box 1121 is now under control.
Firefighters just put out a fire in Brooklyn.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, buckle up everyone. Here we go. Hang on! It looks like there was a fire in an apartment on the top floor. Let's find out what happened.
Okay.
Let's go. Hey, I'm me again. And so are you.
Hey, Captain, I'm going back to the rig now.
Hey kids, look! It's firefighter Eric Smith.
Hi, Firefighter Smith.
Hi, Danny. Hi, Chloe. Hi, Siren. Hi, Hot Dog.
So, it looks like the FDNY put the fire out. What happened here?
The fire is out. It seems the residents left the kitchen while they were cooking food on the stove.
Leaving your cooking unattended is a big no-no.
And something combustible, which is something that can catch fire easily, was left too close to the heat and flames, and it accidentally caught fire. To make things worse, the family has a combination smoke and CO alarm, but it wasn't working.
Smoke is dangerous, and CO stands for carbon monoxide. It's an odorless, colorless, tasteless gas that is very dangerous to people and pets when too much of it accumulates inside.
We always need to make sure our smoke and CO alarms are working perfectly.
Safety first.
Luckily, everyone knew exactly how to get out of their home safely by following their fire escape plan. The whole family is safe and together.
Thanks for the info, Firefighter Smith.
Sure thing, Danny. See you around, everyone. Be safe.
We can learn some valuable lessons from this visit.
That's true. We sure can.
For one, you should never leave cooking or candles or flames of any kind unwatched or unattended. And combustible should be moved away from the heat.
What does combustible mean again?
Combustible? That's something that can catch fire and burn easily, like paper napkins or a dish towel or an apron.
That's right, Hot Dog. We also learned that a working smoke alarm will give you an early warning signal when there is smoke or fire nearby, but
It must be working. It's actually pretty easy to test. Just press this button marked Test.
if the alarm beeps, it's working. Working smoke alarms help save lives, so your family should test your alarms often. Smoke alarms should be installed near where you sleep and on every floor.
But the family was prepared. They had their escape plan.
That's right, Chloe. The family knew to stay low and go. So they crawled under the smoke to the nearest exit, closed the door on their way out, and met outside near the mailbox on the corner, their meeting place.
Smoke is dangerous and makes it hard to breathe. Heat and smoke rises, so crawling under it is the safest way to leave.
And they closed the door on the way out.
A very important step. Close Closing doors really helps contain the smoke and fire and keeps it from traveling and spreading. If your family doesn't have an escape plan, you can make one pretty easily.
Just identify 2 exits. Maybe one is a window with a fire escape, and the other is the front door and down the stairs.
Everyone should practice leaving from both exits.
Remember to keep your hallways and stairwells clear of clutter, so nothing gets in the way of you and your family getting out.
Your family should have a meeting spot outside your home.
Like the big tree across the street or the mailbox on the corner.
That way, you'll all have a safe space to gather outside. And remember, once you're outside, do you ever go back in?
Not unless the fire department says it's safe.
That's absolutely right. This has been a great stop on our fire safety journey. Now let's keep moving. We have other stops to hit on our safety tour today.
Where to next?
How about this medical call that just came in?
Let's go, Danny.
Okay, hold on, everyone.
We made great time.
Flying is so much better than driving on the BQE.
It's EMT Diana Wilson.
Hey, the whole team is here. How is everyone?
We're great. We're actually here with some school kids, teaching them some helpful fire and life safety tips.
Great, welcome. Well, we just finished treating a patient who got too close to an open flame and her sweater caught on fire.
Oh no, is she okay?
She'll be okay, Chloe. No need to worry because she knew how to stop, drop, roll, cool, and call. We have to always be careful around items that could burn us, like candles, the oven or stove, a curling iron, even hot water or steam in your bathroom can scald you. And fire is not a toy and should never be played with.
And you know, if your clothes ever catch on fire, you've got to stop. Stop moving. Drop to the ground. Roll. Cover your face and roll on the ground to put out any flames. Cool your skin with cool water and call 911 for help.
If you have a minor burn, your skin might be red and painful. But if your skin is intact and not scraped, cooling your burn with cool, not cold water can ease the pain and help your skin. Your parents can loosely wrap it with a clean, dry cloth or bandage.
For more serious burn, you may need to see your doctor or call 911 for help and EMTs will check on you.
Speaking of calls, we're getting one now. Gotta go back to work.
Nice to see you again.
Bye, everyone. See you again.
So, how do you know when you should call 911?
Well, calling 911 is for emergencies only.
An emergency is a serious, often dangerous situation requiring quick action. If there is an emergency, it's important to call right away. The FDNY responds to medical emergencies like this one, or when people see smoke or fire.
Don't be afraid. It's easy to call 911.
When you call 911, help will be sent your way as soon as possible. So, it's good to know your address and apartment number. If, say, you're outside, tell them the street name or a landmark.
You will be asked to explain the emergency to determine the kind of help you need.
Just stay calm and answer as best you can. Okay, everyone. For our next stop, I have a surprise for you all. We're going to visit a firehouse and EMS station. Let's go!
This is so fun. Hang on! Wow, visiting firehouses and EMS stations is so fun.
I thought you all would love an inside peek. And I wanted to introduce you to some of the people that work here at the fire department.
Firefighters, EMTs, and paramedics are here to help you in case of an emergency, like if there's a fire,
or if you have an accident, get hurt, and need medical assistance.
Come on, everyone. Let's check it out.
Remember our friends, Firefighter Smith and EMT Wilson?
Hi, kids.
Hi, nice to see you again.
Wow, you sure move around the city quickly.
That's true, Chloe. Our fire trucks and ambulances use lights and sirens when there's an emergency.
Firefighters, EMTs, and paramedics respond to all sorts of emergencies all over the city.
We wear our uniforms so that you can recognize us.
Don't be scared, we're here to help.
Come with us and we'll show you some of our tools, gear, and equipment. At fires, we wear gear that protects us. Masks help us breathe in smoke and fire. Helmets protect our heads, and our special coats and pants protect our skin. Radios, they help us talk to our team. This is the fire engine. The fire engine pumps water from the hose and the hydrant up to the fire so that we can put the fire out. Our tools help us fight the fire. This is our axe and this is our halligan. Firefighters call this the irons. We use these tools to help us open doors into your homes and apartments. This is our 6-foot hook. We use this to pull the ceiling to search for fire that might have traveled above. This is our saw. We use our saw to cut roll-down gates, window gates, or even cut open the roof. This is our water can. We use this to help fight the fire before the hose line gets there. This is our hose. We use this and water from the hydrant to put the fire out.
Welcome to the ambulance, where we bring the hospital emergency room to you. Back here, we have all the equipment we would need to treat someone that is hurt or feeling sick, like bandages, splints, and oxygen masks. We also carry medical bags. Like doctors, we carry medical equipment like a stethoscope, a blood pressure cuff, and we also carry an AED, which shocks your heart if your heart stops.
Shock delivered.
This stretcher is basically a bed on wheels. And here we have a stair chair, which helps us carry people who can't walk up and down the stairs. And a longboard and a scoop, which helps us carry people who aren't able to walk on their own.
Our equipment might look scary, but it keeps us safe and helps us fight the fire.
And treat people during medical emergencies. We're here to help you.
Anytime there's a fire or emergency,
call 911 right away and we'll be there to help.
Thanks so much for talking to us today, Firefighter Smith and EMT Wilson. We sure appreciate your help. We learned a lot, right, kids?
We sure did.
Here we are, back at the fire zone. That was a fun trip.
This truck is the best way to get around the city. What a fun way to learn how to be safe.
We did it, kids!
Yay!
You are now FDNY Smart about fire and life safety. It's official. You are now FDNY Junior Firefighters and Junior EMTs. Welcome to the FDNY, kids. Thanks for coming with us on this journey, and we'll see you next time.
And remember, be FDNY Smart.